data needs to be structured rather than unstructured. It needs to have a well-understood semantic model so that the agents will be able to understand the data. It's not just a soup of text. It actually is structured into fields and with a well-known schema. And if you start working now, by the time your lawyers and compliance people allow you to go procure an agent, then you'll be ready to go get the benefits of kind of our future agentic future.
So AI telemetry, if I hear you properly, is it's the setup for AI, meaning you got to understand what's going on, and that's going to still need to be logging data too, right? I mean, explain that further. I need to understand that, because is it the same as observability, or is it different?
Yeah, so I mean, is a update to our view of observability and security. And what we're saying is, okay, the agentic future is coming, but agents are a little bit different than humans. Yeah. So as an example, in my own data warehouse, when I go to my BI tool and I ask it questions like, hey, how much revenue do we make by segment? Inside of my data warehouse, I have 6 fields called ARR. And so which one it gives me a different answer every time. And like, that's not what I want. I want it to be consistent and deterministic and reliable. And so like, we're going to have to do this same type of work for security data, for observability data. Instead of kind of pouring a soup full of logs that is just completely unstructured, we didn't do any prep work to it. We just loaded it in there so that we could search it and get it back. And a human can read that, and a human can reason about it. And a human can say, like, I read the log. It makes sense to me. It's not well parsed. It's not structured that well. But AI and agents are not that intelligent, and we're not going to want to customize them so heavily for every enterprise. We're going to want to be able to have these agents work out of the box. And so we're going to have to do a lot of work to structure that data on the way in so that the agents will have a rich understanding of the data model and be able to give back the correct answers to these questions.